We're never gonna get your client's car done. Because you can't move this piece of shit out the way. Dude, Will, your fat is so big, bro. What are you doing? You're what? Stop hitting the brake! The wheel is easier to push.
So this is 9H. So this Lexus is completely coated, which is why you guys are seeing the water beading. That's why the little droplets look like perfect little circles, just because water is literally shitting off the car. As you guys can see, like this whole area right here, it's already dry just from the fact that it's so hydrophobic. Water just slides off. So it makes cleaning a lot easier and faster. Sean!
That was too good. Balvin. J Balvin. You know what si tu novia deja sola means?
No, but I do know what Despacito means.
Okay, what does it mean?
It means slowly.
Do you now know what si tu novia deja sola means?
So you guys saw in the last vlog how we had all the adhesive here, but now we got them all removed cleanly. We'll do a quick detail on this area just to kind of wipe down any dirt. We even got done doing the door steps here. These come down, so this part here that I'm touching is chrome usually, but we have wrapped satin black, so it looks good. It kind of blends in with the whole bottom door step a lot better. Ooh, a G-Wagon. A matte G-Wagon? Nice. What are you guys doing? HF-3 satin black. Whoa. Yo, I like this. This is so clean. So we have a satin white G-Wagon here. We're putting on Vossen's HF-3 in satin black. Guys, you know how I love my G-Wagon. Dustin, what do you think of the Mercedes?
Great.
Oh my.
He told me someone famous owned this. This is Deshaun Watson's OG wagon.
Again, as you can see, this is the logo right here. That's pretty cool. It's a nice little detail where it kind of shows it's his, or was his at least, but it's not too in your face. Assuming this car has not been touched since Deshaun Watson sold it, I actually like the way he modified this, because a lot of celebrities, what they do is when they modify their cars, they put their logo, the brandings on everything, like on the headrest, on the carpets, on the seats, on the outside of the car. But like literally, this is just a clean G-Wagon, and you would never know that it belonged to a celebrity or an athlete. It wasn't with the little logos in here. Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
Doesn't happen in real life.
Yes, they do.
There's no cyber club dancers in a parking garage and they're dancing.
Yes, there is.
No, then I've been to every meet.
In Tokyo?
No, in the
You've been to
US.
meets in Tokyo?
No, in the US.
What's the name of the movie? Tokyo Drift.
They don't do that.
You don't know that?
They don't. I know for a fact they don't.
You weren't there.
I look at all the magazines of car meets and all that, and they are never that flashy or except there's some random have to make a good one like that.
Ted, that wasn't a movie, it was a documentary.
That was too good.
Did you see the trailer for Fast 9?
They're on their 9th documentary. Butt naked. I mean, I just think of it as like going to like the gym or going to like a Turkish bath or whatever. How did that happen? It just happened. We got a new gun.
So G63 on satin black Vossen HF-3, 22-inch. Dude, it looks really good. I love it. Matches so well with the Stormtrooper look, the white with the black, and then the little red accents. You guys see the concavity? Will, what are you doing to this car right now?
I have no clue.
What?
I need to YouTube what to do first.
What are you doing? What? So Will right now is coating the Bugatti, so we're at that stage now. So the paint, even the windows, like the glass, we're also coating the wheels too. So it's gonna bead water, it's gonna look super glossy.
Yeah, you can be like, we're touching every part of this car.
We're touching every part of this car. So what's the purpose of having color coordinate towels?
I don't know. No, the main reason is, the reason why you have 3 separate towels is my blue one is going to be the first towel that comes to remove off the residue. The second towel is just going to be my backup. Green is my finishing towel. When I get to this towel, I really approve the look of the finish. I'm just making it look the best it can.
Will, which Bugatti do you think is nicer? This one or Travis Scott's?
That's a tough one. They're both nice.
What the f was they ours?
You're right, I do like this one. You gotta redo that.
Will, which Bugatti you like more? The purple, the dark purple one that we got here, or Travis Scott's?
I like the Panda one.
Will, which Bugatti you like more? This one or Travis Scott's?
I like this one.
Hell yeah! Ah, sick. What color is this? Black, right?
Black with blue interior.
Yeah, see, black is cool, but black, everyone's done black, but no one's done purple like this. This is sick. This is original. How's it coming along, Raul?
Good.
So we're doing the roof rails right now, satin black. We got that side done already. Walk me through this.
What do you want me to walk you through?
I don't know, walk me through what you're thinking.
About to get this hard dick.
We got the little piece done here. Same with the other side. So we're moving along. We're almost done. We're at the last stretch of the mile. Isn't that right, Raul?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so we are done with the Yukon. You guys saw the grille on the front bumper. It was chrome up here. Now we have the perimeter, ooh, fancy word, wrapped in satin black, so it looks a lot better. There's still chrome here. However, if the client decides they want to do this in satin black, we could take care of that. Satin black on this fog light area kind of flows right into this plastic piece. Window trims, satin black top and bottom. You guys remember there's a chrome door strip down here. We removed the whole thing. We're actually not putting that back on. We're gonna keep it off as is, so it looks a little bit cleaner that way. Up top here, the roof rails are also done in satin black. Trunk piece here, satin black as well. And then down here is satin black too. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommend just for you, down here for a news video, and right here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
What are you doing?
Who the f are you?